In this video, I'll show you how to add a Take the Quiz button to your store's homepage that opens your quiz in a pop-up. First, make sure the quiz you want to publish is set as the default quiz. Click the three dots next to the quiz, select Make Default Quiz, and confirm. You'll see a badge showing it's now the default. Next, go to Online Store, Themes, click Customize, and open your homepage editor. Under the Template section, add a new image banner section. In the banner settings, look for the Buttons area. By default, there are 2 buttons. Remove the second one so only one remains. Change the first button label to something like Take the Quiz. For the button link, type #quiz, confirm the option that appears, and save your changes. At this point, the button is added, but it won't open the quiz yet. To activate it, go to App Embeds in the theme editor. Enable Link Popup Quiz by RevenueHunt, and save. Now, when someone clicks the button, your default quiz will open in a pop-up. Inside the pop-up settings, you can customize how it appears. Adjust the width and height to make it full screen or smaller. And use the Z-index setting if another element, like a chat icon, overlaps your quiz. Raising the Z-index brings the quiz to the front. You also have the option to display a different quiz instead of the default. To do this, copy the quiz ID from the app. Paste it into the quiz ID field in the pop-up settings and save. From now on, clicking the button will open that quiz instead. If you remove the ID, it will go back to opening the default quiz. Finally, you can move the image banner to the top of your homepage if you want the button to stand out. Once you're happy with the setup, save your changes and preview your website to check that the quiz opens correctly. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.